Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Samsung DEX mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can transform your phone or tablet into a desktop-like interface on a monitor or a smart TV. So you can do this wired or wirelessly. So with wired, you need to have a USB-C to a HDMI cable connecting here. So the USB-C will go here and the HDMI will go into a monitor. If you do it wirelessly, you need to go ahead and choose a compatible smart TV or a monitor. So that TV has to be a smart TV. So let me show you how to do this. As an example, if you're doing this wirelessly, just go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu from your quick panel icons here. Find DEX. This is right here. Tap on this. Now here you want to go ahead and allow Samsung DEX to find and connect to and determine the relative position of a nearby device. So we'll go ahead and allow that. So now, as you can see, it has detected some of these TVs around my house. I can go ahead and choose what TV I want to connect to wirelessly. So as it reads, you get a PC-style desktop experience on your TV while you keep using your phone or turn your phone into a trackpad for added convenience. So this enables multitasking, full screen apps, and even desktop browsing. No laptop is needed. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the Samsung DEX mode on your Samsung phone running One UI 7.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.